In this PHP basic tutorial, I will show you how to declare variable in PHP and how to comment in PHP file. It's for only beginners and basics. If you already know, please skip this tutorial. So let's go. First open your control panel of XAMPP localhost. XAMPP control panel. Start. Now go to your XAMPP folder, see XAMPP htdocs. Then in the first tutorial I have created my first PHP project. Okay, how to run it? Just copy the folder name, open your browser, write localhost / your folder name, localhost / your folder name, press enter. If your file name is index.php, just localhost / your folder name. But if your folder name is file name is not index.php, something different from index.php, like another me.php etc. So you need localhost / your folder name / your file name. But if your file name is index.php, it will be auto-loaded when you only write the folder name. I hope you already know, because I have described about it in my first tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to declare variable and how to comment in PHP. Open your file, edit with Notepad++. I hope you already know how to create this template. It's very easy template. I hope you will create this template. It's very easy and simple. Here we can see PHP blog, echo hello world, I am PHP learner, that I have showed in our browser. Hello world, I am PHP learner. Now how to create or declare variable? For declaring variable, you need first $sign, then name, then write a name of your variable. Variable means store that will contain data. Okay, it will start underscore or letter, not number. You can write me equal, then equal sign, then write this text, just card. If you write text, you need to the quotation mark, because it's a string. When I will show how to check the data type, then you will understood it clearly. Okay, then semicolon for separating. How to print it? Just write echo, then the variable name, echo, then the variable name. When you use a variable, you don't need to give quotation mark. You can use single quotation or double quotation, that's your wish, that's no problem. Okay, then write this text, hello world, this text, hello world, I am PHP learner. This text contained this variable. Now echo this variable, it will show in our browser. Check the browser and refresh. You can see the same results. Okay, this is the way to declaring the variable. You can write for changing hello world. You can see the hello world. This is the same PHP block. You can here declare the variable and also echo the variable. You can also declare a variable in the top. PHP codes always writing in the HTML top section. This is the best practice. Okay, here also you can write a PHP block, how to start PHP block. less than and greater than sign, then question mark, then write PHP. This is the PHP block syntax. Here declare a variable like dollar, then variable name my variable. If you give only a number like 8 or 88, you don't need to write the quotation mark. Okay, it is not compulsory for using quote, double quote or single quote, that's anything, but you can use it, it's no problem, but it's not recommended. How to print it? Just call this variable into this section, my variable, op, and echo my variable. Okay, refresh your browser, you can see the 888. So I hope you can declare the variable, it's very easy. Now how to comment in PHP file? It's very easy. This is the PHP block, opening and closing. Here you when you want to comment in PHP file, you must comment into the PHP block. Okay, it's like CSS. For single line commenting, like this is a simple text, but this is a wrong way into the writing in PHP block, because it will generate a error or undefined constant, something like that. Refresh browser for seeing this. You can see phrase error, syntax error, unexpected. Okay, but you can write it comment. When you comment, for single line commenting, use double slash. Just refresh, you can see the everything is okay. Now again, for many text commenting, you can use something like that. You need to again and again using double slash, but you can use at single slash star, then using again slash and star. Okay, it will be commented. Okay, it will not show. I hope you will understand about this commenting and how to declare a variable. It's very simple. For declaring variable, write $sign and then the variable name, then equal sign to assign value into variable. Okay, thank you.